Today on G Reviews, we take a look at the brand new Vava 2K dual dash cam. We unbox it, we show you all the features, and we take it out of the road both during the day and at night to show you what the footage looks like. Next up on G Reviews, thanks so much for watching. Alright, so let's go into the Vava 2K dual dash cam and the unboxing. So let's crack this guy open. This guy has a 2K resolution front camera, a 1080p rear-facing camera, different loop recordings. It's got built-in GPS, so it'll tell you specifically where you were, how fast you were going, emergency record, a 2-inch LCD screen on the back. It's got a Wi-Fi connection, so you can actually take pictures, download things to your phone, and just so much other stuff. It's got an app to it. We got Smart Made Simple. All your paperwork here. And then again, of course we have very lengthy instruction manual, but this is going to be the actual camera itself. So let's grab this. So it is a little bit on the big side, again, because it has so much stuff built into it. But just, I mean, initial impressions are very good. I mean, this definitely feels hefty. It's got some weight to it, and it feels like a very high quality item. So, okay, so this is your 1080p rear-facing camera, and it actually has 4 infrared lights. So it actually lights up the inside of your car without actually blinding you with light. And then this is your front-facing 2K camera as well. So let's go ahead and get into the all the little other accessories in the box. So this should be the mount. So this is your mount. It's a magnet, which is pretty cool. It's nothing to really break on that. Let's see how strong that magnet is. So we'll put this down here. And again, little mounts right here. Okay. All right. Yep. Yeah. I mean, that's not going anywhere. Yeah. That looks pretty good. So that's the mount, and that is a strong magnet. I like it. Apparently what this is it's a button to be able to take a picture, or basically save a picture wirelessly. So this is long press until the beep to successfully pair to the dash cam. What you do with this is you can clip this on to an AC vent, or you could kind of just put it somewhere, and it's a little button. So if you want to just take a picture, take a selfie of your family in the car, pretty cool. You just push that guy, and it basically takes a picture with the camera. And then these last 2 boxes are going to be pretty self-explanatory. It's kind of a big box for... oh, okay, so there's other stuff in here. We have... there are 2 USB ports, which is nice. Ooh, okay, so 2.4 amp. This is actually, for once, a really nice car adapter. So not only is there a USB for your Vava camera, there's actually a 2.4 amp, so that is almost fast charge. It's almost quick charge for your cell phone too. So that's actually really, really nice. Thank you, Vava, for actually providing a high voltage 12-volt outlet adapter. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Because you don't see that very often. Usually they're 1 amp or something like that, and it's going to be slow charge for your phone. And then also we included here, we have these little stick-on mounts for your cord. So when you're routing it around your windshield, you don't want that cable to fall down. You have these little sticky mounts for the cable. So that is what that is. So this is your quote-unquote crowbar, and this is going to be the little tool that they actually give you to be able to stash your cord up in your headliner, around things. This is actually really nice. I'm surprised that they included something like this. You really can see where your money is going with this. And then this is your cord. This is gonna plug into your outlet here, right, your adapter. So that's one end. And then the other end this is gonna go into your camera on this end. I believe this little guy right here is actually the GPS unit with 3M tape. So again, this is gonna be a fairly permanent installation. I mean, you certainly can take this guy off and you know, put another one on there or something like that, but they really intend for you to keep it in the car, not switch between cars and things like that. But this definitely does look like a pretty long cable. So let's go ahead and put it in the car, and we'll show you how it works. Before I put it in the car, let's just go through some of the menu systems. Go and power this guy on. So basically I just simulated starting your car, and it automatically starts recording. And you can see all the various things here. So it's recording. We have parking mode turned on, Wi-Fi's on, microphone's on. The rear camera is on, which is obviously right here. You can see my camera from this little lens right here. And pretty neat. I've already tried this, and I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to turn all the lights off, and you'll see in a second that the infrared, these 4 little LED lights, or sorry, infrared lights will automatically turn on, and you'll be able to see the camera. So wait for it. There we go. So as you can see, actually the camera can see it pretty well, which is pretty cool. But you can see how you can see the camera, and you can see my face here. Pretty creepy, right? But that's a good piece of technology. So that is that. You can obviously see that through here, but in the naked eye, you cannot see these little red lights. So pretty cool. You can move this camera up and down. You have this little green LED to denote that the rear camera is also turned on. And there's a whole bunch of different settings in here. Event recording, there's this little button. You could tap this to start recording, or, you know, click a picture or whatever the case might be. So it's doing an event recording right now. So if I just hit stop recording here for a moment, we can take you through the settings menu. So there's a whole ton of different settings. So general settings, you can go through resolution. You can have the LCD display turned on and off. You can turn the rear lens on and off. Different loop recording settings. You can turn Wi-Fi on and off, GPS on and off. And then you can also have in your videos, you can have no logo, the logo plus the time, logo, time, and speed. Again, that's the advantage you get with the Vava is the GPS data as well. Advanced settings, you got parking mode. You have parking mode, again, if the G sensor is turned on to sensitive, you know, somebody might bump into the car or something like that, and it'll start recording. Again, I think that's a pretty cool feature. And the sensor, right, the G sensor, so you have low, medium, and high sensitivity for that. LCD on and off, that's how long you want the thing to turn off after once you start driving. Mic on and off. Key clicks, if that's annoying. The infrared, if you want those turned on and off. Frequency of recording. And then you have all the system settings. So power off the display. Just about language, time and date, format your SD card, and then back to default settings. So those are all the different settings. I mean, there's a lot of customization to this thing. So I think it's going to be a really nifty gadget to have in the car. And we'll actually go ahead and take a look at some of the footage here in a little bit. From here till the end of the video, we're going to be showing some samples of different footage that we collected. Unfortunately, because we had the radio on in pretty much every single one of these, I won't be able to display any of the audio that we captured, but just know that the audio is captured. It's very good. The audio that's captured is very good. You can hear, you know, like I said, road noise. You can hear us saying things. If there was some type of an accident, it would definitely be on the audio. But please sit back, relax, and enjoy these few clips. Please, if you guys like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more content from G-Reviews. And overall, I give the Vava 2K dual dash camera 2 thumbs way up. It's a great product. I highly recommend it. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description of where to purchase. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys. In this clip, I just wanted to demonstrate that you can see clearly the license plate in front of us. It is just very good quality, as you can see.